Short video about my problem with loud stepper motors. Basic settings for the z-axis is acceleration 120, feed rate 1000, and the current 2 amps for one motor. Axis unhomed, I got the correct feed rate set, and now I will move the axis. This is sound on the foam on my desk, so you can hear the vibration inverter, and closer to the foam. Now I will increase the feed rate to 2000. Let's wait for the motor to finish the move. And now again the higher speed on foam, on the desk, and closer to the foam. Again 3000. You can hear irregular noises from this motor apart from usual whine. So now I will connect the second motor. So I will stop the board, shut off the power, get the second motor, connect it, restart the power, okay, so we need to now increase the current because we have two motors in parallel. So I will copy this command, paste it. So now we have 4 amps peak, which is 2 amps for each motor. Let's home the axis so we can move Z motors. Okay, so we are back to the speed of 1000 because we resetted the board. And let's perform a move. Okay, so one of the motors stalled, the other is vibrating. And they are stalling. Let's check the console. Yes, I increased the current and the feed rate was 1000. Let's increase it to 2000. And 3000. So for some reason, when the two motors are connected in parallel with the adjusted current for the two motors, they are stalling and the noise is very weird. Now I will turn off the first motor, so we can use only the second one to show that the second motor is not broken or something. Stop the machine, shut off the power, disconnect the motor. Reconnect the power. So we are back to the stock settings of vibrate 1000, 2 amps for motor, and again same acceleration. This sound is pretty normal. Let's increase the feed rate to 2000. And 3000. And again, you can hear some irregular noises like zzz, zzz, zzz. And I don't know why it's happening like this. Cheers.